Hi, today in this video I am going to explain about travel salesman problem using dynamic programming. So what is meant by travel salesman program? So it is called as also called as TSP. So what is meant by that? They have given a particular city. So this is one of the type of the problem that is traveling a salesman. Salesman person is going to visit a different number of cities. So in that cities we need to find that minimum cost and which path will give that is which path will give the less distance. So that is the calculation we are going to do in this video. So this is an example program you see here, that is they have given, see, they have given that distance here. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the cities, that is one is if the travel salesman person is going to visit number of cities, so he will start from his hometown, that is the first number. So 1 and 2 is another city, 3 is another city and 4 is another city, and next he need to visit the hometown. So in this the condition is that the city should visited only once, it should not come more than one. So that is the condition. So using this matrix, they have given the cost of the matrix. Using this cost we need to find the minimum distance, minimum cost and minimum distance, and the path, minimum distance path we need to find. So now let us take one combinations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, this is one combination, and 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3 and 1, this is another combination. So like this we can find different number of combination. So in that combination we need to find the least distance, that is which combination which has the least distance, and also we need to find the cost. So now let us consider this algorithm in a program. Let us implement in programming part. So this is the program have been implemented using Java programming. So in this we are going to implement this travel salesman problem. So first I'm going to say start with the main program, that is main function. So in that function first I'm getting the number of villages, so number of villages from n. So I have declared that is here static int array, that is n cost and completed. So that is array we are going to, that is consider one table. So in the table we are going to store the cost of the cost in the matrix. So for that I've declared a array, so in global. So n, that is number of cities. So cost, so finding the cost we are going to initially we are taking as 0, and completed, so we are going to take one completed that is array, and we are going to mention which are the cities we are completed and remaining cities. So by the way we are going to calculate the TSP using dynamic program. So in our main function, so first we are going to get the number of cities from n. So after that I'm mentioning that according to the value given by the user, I'm declaring the array and completed. So after that I'm taking the cost of the matrix, that is enter the cost of the matrix. So in that array we are going to mention the, that is cost of the matrix in that array. So after that I'm printing the matrix. So after that the path, I'm mentioning the path. So path, So I'm passing that initially the hometown is 0. So I'm mentioning initially hometown is 0. So it is passing in a function called min cost. So I have declared a min cost, written the min cost function here. So in that min cost here I have taking that is home city in using the city variable. So city variable contains 0. So now I am initializing n city. So completed of city, that is completed of 0 equal to 1. Now it will print city plus 1. So city plus 1 is 1. So 1, then the arrow, then next that is n city equal to least city. So least city is a function, it going to calculate the cities, that is cost. So it passes the least, that is city 0. So it will pass. So here the least city, this is the least city function. Here I am declaring the declaring that integer I and nc equal to 9 triple nine and min triple nine, both of them is triple nine, and k min is 0. So from f 0, that is from 0 to n, that is c of e, that is 0, that is 0 to 60 up to n, that is 0 to city to n, that is 0 1 2 3. So up to 3 it will check it is whether it is not equal to 0, and completed is not according to that I value, it is check, and if it is, it will go inside that. If it will check array of c and I plus array of I and c is less than min, it will be less than min because min term is triple nine. So if it is, the min is equal to array of I and I comma 0 plus array of c and 0. So k min equal to array of c and I. So nc equal to I. So after that it will calculate the nc. So after getting the nc, it will execute up to 4 times. So in 4 times we will get different min, k min and nc. So at the last nc will be of one value. So it will check if min is not equal to the triple nine. So it means that if min term is triple nine, that is min variable is triple nine means, so the this if condition will fail. So if the if condition is fail, only the min will be triple nine. So if condition is true and according to the statement it execute, the min term will be not equal to triple nine. So if it is not equal to triple nine means, so cost equal, initially cost equal to 0. So cost equal to cost plus k min. So k min value it will be calculated according to that 4 times it will execute. So sorry, after that is city 0, after the city 0 it will execute according to the cost. So after that it return nc. So nc it will return. So here the min terms here, the nct. So at last it will calculate the cost of the hometown. So after that it will be returned here. So after that the function get over. So it will print the cost. So now let us execute the program. So now let us execute this same function, that is same example. So it is 4 cities and the starting row is 0413, that is 0413. Second row is 4021, 4021, and it is 1205, 1205, and it is 3150, 3150. So it execute that the matrix is 041340211205 and 3150, it will be print. And the next, the path, the minimum distance path is 13241. This is the path combination which is as least distance, and the cost is 7. So this is the travel salesman problem using dynamic programming.